okay, no problem. I just update lang. Update. Aray ko. Ano, minaoriente sa kamay. Update lang ako sa aking YT na walang tao. Di tulad dati, madami. Itulukan. What kind of food is that, Sir Paul? Itulukan. Hi, Jiwan. Long time no see, Jiwan. Long time no see. Welcome back to my life. When you say kumusta ka, it was my reply. Yummy-licious. You said yummy-licious. Delicious, yummy-licious. How are you, my friend? I'm good. How about you? Where is everyone sees before? I always see many people visit your live. Yeah. Maybe they are already sawa to my face. They already sawa to my face, Sir Paul. Because lately I'm not active here in live. Shh. I'm not active. That's why I'm always absent here in YouTube live. I didn't upload also. Oo nga, no. Feeling ko nga as in. Tingnan mo yung braso ko. Oh. Sa ano to? Kaya ganun. Pero mabilis lang na akong pumaya. Lumubo na nga. Lumubo ng ano. Kasi bawal akong magutuman. Nakakatawa ka. It's always good to see your cute smiling face. Cute smiling face. Are you married? I'm not yet married. I don't have plan to get married.